Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we're going to be doing an animal, well, a reptile, a tree frog, something different. So, just a cute little tree frog hanging out on a leaf. So, landscape orientation page, right? As always, use a pencil and hit pause if I go too fast. Pencil and eraser. Center point of my page approximately here. I'd say that's where his chin will be. So we're going to go up and we'll just start with his forehead, like the middle of his head. So we'll just curve a line right near the top of my page. You just want to leave enough room for the eyes and stuff as well. So you just curve a line across for like the top of his head. Right up there on top. And then his eyebrows, and well, he doesn't have eyebrows, but it's like where his eye sits into his head, curves up and around here, like that. Same thing on this side. Like so. Okay, so then the eyes, right, curve around. We got this like letter C sort of shape. It goes down real far. Like so. Same pretty much on this side, out and around. Right, like that. And so the eye then bulges out from here. Right, so a big round sort of section here. Okay, same on this side. Bulges out, and then we got like an extra thick dark line on the inside. Right, so it kind of goes around like this. To the edge of his eye, okay? Same over here. And then you just color that black. Right, so then his eye, so he's got like a long pupil, right? So like it looks kind of like a grain of rice. That's what it reminds me of. So just like this sort of, or a lemon or something. Just got 2 points just on the end. See there? Just on the side of his head. So down to there, and that's colored in all black on the inside as well. Like so. So when you're coloring, you could leave like a highlight, like a big white patch, and his eyes are sort of orangey red. So, let's see. So we do like, he's kind of got like bags under his eyes, like coming around here, like this kind of thing. So he's like, his eyes are like sitting off the top of his head. You know what I mean? Just like curving around there. So the mouth, right? So cheeks kind of stick out the side of the head. So like tiny little cheeks. Like so, and then they come to a V, like right in the middle. So like there's a V like here. It's like the center of his lip, and then this curves down around to there, and similar around to there. Like so. And then his nostrils, so his nostrils are like pretty high up, right? So it's like, say, put one here, right there, and then another one here. like so. And you could add some like sort of like skin sort of curved lines there, but it's generally pretty flat against his face, you know. But that's like so. Okay, so then neck, right? So we got like neck and bottom lip and neck, so they're kind of joined together, but we'll draw the bottom lip first. Kind of comes across real flat, sort of bumps in the middle a little bit, and then comes across up to there. Then his neck on this side comes down like so. And so we've got arms, right, coming out. He's holding on to like a leaf, right? So he's got like one arm, elbow sticking out here, another arm coming across the front, and then like a foot at the back, and then a big leaf here, okay? So I guess we'll do this arm first. Yeah, so it comes out like this way. So like an elbow. And then this elbow curves out and around to like a big arm. So it's kind of a bumpy, sort of wavy line, like that. And then the inside of that forearm is like here. And then this comes across like so. We got like some skin or something on the inside, so like some skin just there, like some webbing or something. And then like his bicep, if you could call it a bicep, just here, sticks out. And then we have like lines for his neck just coming down into here, and like the other side of the neck over here, like so. Some extra sort of lines just for folds on his neck, just in there. Right, so we got like two fingers coming across here and one thumb going in behind the leaf, right? So this comes up like so, right? And then that leaf curves to there, and then comes down. Leave a gap, and then it comes down to there. So there's a big curving leaf, and then two fingers holding on. So we got like kind of bumping sort of for knuckle there, and then this comes out to a big circular flat pad that is his finger. And you got a knuckle and a knuckle there, and these pads are like, you know, sticky. There's sticky pads on the bottom, help him hold on to stuff. And then a knuckle here, and then some skin in between. And then this comes down around to another pad down this way. Like so, and this could have like detail lines there, and like another sort of knuckle line or something like so. And then like the inside of his body, so like this is like his neck, and then his shoulder, and then his body will come down just there. Okay. Right, so this leaf goes up a little bit further actually there. And then we have another hand coming out from behind his head here, okay? So, so we got like, comes out like this. Can be kind of a bumpy, wavy line. And then the side of his body, just there on that side. And then we have a big flat pad like so. Kind of a skin line, and then the finger in there, and then this goes around like so. So 2 more long fingers, really long, sticking down this way, and then another foot up here, and then we're done, pretty much. So it comes out down, wavy sort of line for knuckles, and then a big round flat pad down here, like so, and just add some lines just for knuckles, and then another one, big bumpy sort of wavy line, out around like so. There's actually a finger resting on top of this one, so we'll do another sort of curved line here, because the finger from his other hand is like resting on this one. See that? And then his other finger will come down sort of bumpy like that. So this is like a pad, and this is a pad. And then we got some webbing in between his fingers there. So this comes up to a hand that goes behind his head. So it's just like a short little stumpy arm that comes out there. Like so. And then, so this is a finger. So the leaf, say, curves around, comes out and down, like out around here. So it goes like, but the hand is here. The other 2 or 3 fingers, right? So, like so, out to there, and like that. So this is like a thumb. Out to there, down. Down like so. And then the last one out. Yeah, it comes out around real big. Like this, and then we have a knee or something sticking out here. I think it's a knee. Knee line, crease for skin there. And then if you want, you can add like some details on the leaf if you want. So like just some extra sort of texture lines just to give it sort of a different feel to the body of the frog. Yeah, and there could be some like drips coming down. He's in the rainforest. Like so. Let's see. So I think that's everything. You can thicken up the edge lines if you wanted, if you were doing it in ink afterwards, you know, just to make him stand out a little bit more. But in general, that's everything, guys. How to draw a tree frog. Hope it was helpful. I can't stop drawing. I'm just thickening up these lines. Okay, that's that. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.